Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got a brand new limited edition from Cult Beauty and it is Chasing the Sun. Now this was released a couple of days ago. It's still available on their website. It costs £42, has a value of £185 and it contains 9 beauty products. After watching this video, if you're interested in getting this box for yourself, then you'll find a link to it down below in my description. I'll also pop down my Cult Beauty code as well, which is CBXBeautyGeek, and although that can't be used against this box, it can be used on the majority of the website to have up to 20% off. So I'll pop that down there and then you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. But yeah, let's get on showing you what's inside. I love this time of year. The beauty brands are bringing out all their SPF travel related skincare and I love it. So give you a sneak peek. Let's start off with an SPF I absolutely love. This is beautiful. It reminds me of a silicone primer. I don't know if you remember, Urban Decay had a really, I can't even remember the name of it, it's just gone from my brain. They had a gorgeous silicone pore minimizing primer 7-8 years ago or longer. I loved it. It reminds me of that. It just feels so nice on the skin, so nice and soft. But that's what it reminds me of. This is Allies of Skin, and this is the one SPF50 Invisible Sunscreen Gel, the ultimate transparent sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF50 UVA and UVB protection that is supercharged with vitamin C and green tea, carrot seed and licorice root, and 5 antioxidants and skin conditioners. So it's a superpower SPF, and there's 20 mils there, and it's also water resistant. Yeah, I love this one. I can't remember where I got it, in what box, but it is so nice. It's a clear gel. I'll just show you. So it's a clear gel. It feels so silky smooth on the skin. It just leaves the skin super soft. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It is really nice. I love it. So yeah, happy to have another one. I won a photography competition. I don't know if I've actually told you. I can't remember. I came second in a photography competition on a Greek website called Greeka.com where anybody can upload their travel photos. And yeah, I came second, so I won hotel and ferry and everything over to Naxos. So me and my husband are going there in June. First time we're leaving the kids at home alone. I am absolutely dreading it, but I've got to do it. People are saying, no, you're going to do them more harm if you don't let them like fend for themselves. And they're not little. My eldest is going to be 28 this year. Then I've got a 20-year-old daughter. And then my son, he's turning 17 when we come back from holiday. You know, so they're not little, but it's just, oh. Anyway, so I'm thinking now, holiday, skincare, SPF and moisturizers and things like that. So the reason why I talk non-stop and go on, there is a theory behind it all. I want to bring that with me. We got Medik8. I absolutely love this brand as well. It's a gorgeous brand. This is Hydr8 B5 Intense Hyaluronic Acid with NMF Replenish and Boost. It's serum. Nice big bottle, 30 mils there. A supercharged hydrating serum combining multi-wet hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5 and natural moisturising factors to flood the skin with intense moisture. Boosted with a triple action complex which helps to maintain natural production of hyaluronic acid, preserve its power and amplify its hydration. Expect the silky formula to visibly soften fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the complexion supple, nourished and plumped. A versatile formula to complement any skincare regime. Yeah, it's a nice one. I've been using this on and off for a couple of years. It's a really good one. We got a mask. This is 111 Skin London. And this is the Cryo Depuffing Facial Mask. Reduces signs of puffiness to improve skin's firmness. Cooling hydrogel base leaves skin feeling invigorated and refreshed. Encourages a toned, refined appearance. I love the 111 Skin masks. So that'd be quite nice. That might be nice to take on holiday with me, actually. What have we got here? We got Sulwhasoo. I think that's how you say it. It's a concentrated ginseng rejuvenating cream. 5 mils. Oh, the pot is cute. Look. Look at that. I don't know anything about this brand. Well, let's have a dab. See if I can put my nail in there. Have I got enough to try? Yeah. It feels nice. Ooh. It smells spa-like. Yeah, it smells nice. Feels nice. We've got a rejuvenating cream there, facial cream. Then we've got Sol de Janeiro, and this is Body Badalada. This is the first time I've had this. Vitamin infused lotions, Charosa 62 fragrance, lightweight daily hydration, and there's 30 mils there. Okay. So this is a very lightweight moisturizer in the Charosa, like vanilla-y, cookie fragrance. So yeah, it's very, very lightweight. It's different to the body creams. It feels nice. That has absorbed right in there quite fast. Yeah, it feels really nice on the skin. So if you like the scent, then yeah, you like that. We've got Violette Extreme Screen, and this is SPF 50 plus hydrating body and hand screen. Love this. Very high protection, 4 hours water resistant. And there's 30 mils there. And this is type of SPF I would put in my car. Yeah, I'm always forgetting to put SPF on my hands, and obviously driving around. If I'm going out anywhere and my skin is on show, then I will wear SPF all over my arms. But sometimes I forget my hands. So I always try to keep an SPF in the car. So now that'll be going straight in there. So yeah, great brand as well. Another one, Augustinus Bader. And this is the Sunscreen SPF 50. Loving these high SPFs. And there is 7 mils. I don't know if I've actually tried this before. So it's only a little teeny tiny one. Very pricey brand. Got a little one there. Handy to try, see if you like it. And then get shocked if you fall in love and see the price. We have got Glowscreen. I don't like this one. And it's an SPF 30. I don't mind SPF 30s, but as we come into the summer months, I prefer a higher SPF. This is Sunrise, Glowscreen Sunrise by Supergoop. SPF 30, as I said, hydrating, glowing sunscreen primer. So I really like the brand, but just not this particular SPF. It's just a little bit too glowy for me. I'll show you what I mean now. So you can see that there. It looks pretty, doesn't it? It is pretty. But it's a little bit too glowy, a little bit too metallic-y. Which I don't mind, like, where I put highlighter on my face. But as I've mentioned loads of times before, I hate anything drawing attention to the middle of my face, because that's where my large pores, fine lines, and everything is. So I don't like that. So no, I'll be passing that on. But it looks quite nice on screen there. But it's just a little bit too glowy. We got a little sample. This is SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic high potency triple antioxidant treatment with 15% L-absorbic acid, 1% alpha tocopherol, and 0.5% ferulic acid. It's a free sample, not for resale. So it's just like an added extra then. And there is 4 mils in there. You can see there. Protects against free radical damage, improves the appearance of wrinkles, skin firmness, high potency, triple antioxidant treatment. And there you go, those are all the items in Chasing the Sun Edit from Cult Beauty. So we've got a sheet mask, we've got hyaluronic acid serum, we've got a rejuvenating face cream, we've got an SPF 50 for hands and body, we've got an SPF 50 for the face, we've got a body lotion, we've got a glowing SPF 30 priming lotion. We've got a gorgeous SPF 50 gel. And the antioxidant treatment. Costs £42, has a value of £182. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? I think we're missing some larger sizes. I know it's got a high value in there. I know. But I think it would have been really good to have a larger size body SPF, maybe instead of the sheet mask. That's not to say I don't like the sheet mask, I do like it, but I think it's just missing something a little extra in there. I do think it's a good box, there's some really gorgeous products in there, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it, and are you going to get one? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.